Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we have a whirlwind tour of the most fascinating finds about the human body up till now. We often look out at the vast expanse of space and marvel at its wonders. But what about the cosmos within each of us? Get ready to explore the universe inside you, a place more complex than any galaxy and more mysterious than any black hole. Grab a seat and prepare to be amazed. We tend to think of our bodies as static, fully formed machines. But did you know your body is constantly regenerating? And I'm not just talking about your skin or your nails. Believe it or not, you can regenerate cartilage, the flexible tissue that cushions your joints. This ability is most effective in your ankles, less so in your knees, and the least effective in your hips. It's like your body's own built-in repair shop, constantly working to keep you moving. It makes you wonder, what other hidden regenerative powers are we walking around with? Let's talk about your senses, specifically your sight. Your eyes are incredible organs, capable of capturing the world around you in vivid detail. They are your windows to the world, allowing you to perceive colors, shapes, and movements with astonishing clarity. Every second, your eyes are bombarded with a torrent of information. From the moment you wake up and open your eyes, they start collecting data. This data includes everything from the light intensity to the colors and patterns in your environment. In fact, your brain processes a staggering 600 million bits of visual information per eye per second. This means that in just 1 second, your brain is handling more visual data than you can possibly imagine. It's like having a supercomputer dedicated solely to processing what you see. That's more data than the Hubble Space Telescope collects in a year. Imagine the vastness of space and all the data the Hubble collects. Now think about your eyes doing even more work every single second. It's truly mind-boggling. But here's the catch. Not all your senses work at the same speed. While your eyes are incredibly fast, other senses lag behind. Your skin, for instance, is constantly receiving information about temperature, pressure, and pain, but it doesn't transmit this data as quickly as your eyes do. Your skin, for example, transmits the feeling of touch much slower than your eyes see an image. When you touch something, the sensation travels through your nerves to your brain, but this process is slower compared to the speed of visual processing. And your tongue? Well, let's just say it's savoring the flavor at its own pace. Taste buds on your tongue detect flavors and send signals to your brain, but this happens at a leisurely speed compared to sight and touch. It's a sensory symphony conducted at different tempos, all coming together to create your reality. Each sense plays its part, contributing to your overall perception of the world. This intricate dance of sensory information is what allows you to experience life in all its richness and complexity. So next time you marvel at a beautiful sunset or savor a delicious meal, remember the incredible orchestra of senses working behind the scenes to make it all possible. We all know that water is essential for life, but did you know just how crucial it is to your brain and body? Water is not just a thirst quencher, it is a vital component that keeps our entire system functioning smoothly. Your brain, the command center of your very existence, relies heavily on water to perform its myriad of functions. In fact, it is a whopping 73% water. This high water content is essential for maintaining the delicate balance of electrolytes and neurotransmitters that facilitate communication between brain cells. Your lungs, responsible for taking in life-giving oxygen, are 83% water. This water content helps to keep the delicate tissues of the lungs moist, allowing for efficient gas exchange and preventing irritation. Even your bones, seemingly solid and unyielding, are 31% water. This water is crucial for maintaining the flexibility and strength of the bone matrix, allowing for better shock absorption and reducing the risk of fractures. And the kicker? Just a tiny 2% dehydration can throw your whole system out of whack, leading to a cascade of negative effects. This slight dehydration can impact your mood, memory, and focus. It can make you feel irritable, anxious, and unable to concentrate on even the simplest tasks. It's like trying to run a high-powered computer on low battery. Things just don't work as well. Your brain slows down, your reactions become sluggish, and your overall cognitive function is impaired. So the next time you reach for a glass of water, remember that you are not just quenching your thirst. You are fueling your brain, supporting your lungs, and strengthening your bones. Water is truly the elixir of life, and staying hydrated is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to maintain your health and well-being. Embrace the water worlds within you, and let this vital resource keep you thriving every single day. Chapter 4. New Kids on the Organ Block. Think you know all your organs? Think again. The human body is a marvel of biological engineering, and just when we think we've got it all figured out, science throws us a curveball. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries, and recently they've added two newcomers to the list, the mesentery and the interstitium. These aren't just minor tweaks to our understanding. They represent significant shifts in how we view our internal landscape. The mesentery, once thought to be just a bunch of fragmented structures, is now recognized as one continuous organ, holding your guts in place like a carefully arranged cosmic tapestry. Imagine it as the unsung hero of your digestive system, ensuring everything stays in its rightful place. And then there's the interstitium, a vast network of fluid-filled pockets that act as shock absorbers for your organs. This discovery has opened up new avenues of research, potentially revolutionizing our understanding of diseases and treatments. It's like your body's own built-in bubble wrap, protecting you from the bumps and jolts of everyday life. These fluid-filled spaces could also play a role in how fluids move within our bodies, impacting everything from swelling to the spread of cancer cells. Who knows what other hidden wonders are waiting to be discovered within us? The human body is a treasure trove of secrets, and with each new discovery, we get a little closer to understanding the intricate dance of life happening within us every second of every day. So, stay curious and keep exploring, because the next big discovery could be just around the corner. Chapter 5. The Pinocchio Effect, Fact or Fiction? Remember Pinocchio, whose nose grew longer every time he lied? Well, it turns out there might be a grain of truth to that story. Studies have shown that lying increases the temperature around your nose and eyes. It's a subtle change, but it's detectable with thermal imaging technology. Scientists believe this Pinocchio effect is linked to the stress response triggered by lying. So the next time you're tempted to fib, remember, your face might just give you away. Chapter 6. The Brain's Hydration Control Center. We all know the importance of staying hydrated, but how does your body know when you've had enough water? It turns out your brain has its own built-in hydration control center. Within minutes of drinking water, your brain senses the increase in fluid volume and signals you to stop drinking. It's a delicate balancing act, ensuring your cells get the hydration they need without overdoing it. It's like your brain is saying, "Okay, that's enough H2O for now, thanks." Chapter 7. Ever wonder what the secret to a long life is? Well, scientists have been studying supercentenarians, people who live to be 110 years or older, to unlock the secrets of longevity. And they've discovered that these remarkable individuals have something special in common, an abundance of T helper immune cells. These cells play a crucial role in fighting off infections and keeping the immune system strong. It's like having a super-powered army of microscopic defenders protecting your body from age-related decline. Chapter 8. Your brain is a thinking machine, constantly churning out thoughts at an astonishing rate. In fact, it generates an average of 48 thoughts per minute. That's like having a high-speed train of thoughts racing through your mind every second of the day. But here's the thing. Your brain can only focus on one thought at a time. So, as it rapidly switches between tasks, your attention span can shorten and your memory can become impaired. It's like trying to juggle too many balls at once. Eventually, some are going to drop. Chapter 9. We're taught that we have 5 senses: sight, smell, taste, touch, and hearing. But what if I told you there's more to the story? Some people experience a fascinating phenomenon called synesthesia, where their senses get crossed. They might see colors when they hear music or taste shapes when they eat food. It's a reminder that the human sensory experience is far more complex and nuanced than we often realize. Chapter 10. Let's journey deep inside your ear to a tiny organ called the cochlea. Here, a jelly-like substance plays a crucial role in hearing. This remarkable substance helps separate high and low frequencies, allowing you to distinguish between the roar of a crowd and the whisper of a secret. And if that's not strange enough, scientists have discovered that some of the bacteria living in your gut can actually generate electricity. These microscopic powerhouses might play a role in digestion and even influence your mood. So, there you have it, the most fascinating recent discoveries about the human body. From regenerating cartilage to the brain's hydration control center, the human body is a universe unto itself, full of wonder, complexity, and endless possibilities for exploration. We hope you enjoyed this journey as much as we did and can't wait to share more insights in our next video. Until then, keep exploring the cosmos inside you.